Hello and welcome to my Python tutorial where I'm going to be showing you inputs and outputs. Before I do that, please remember to like, subscribe and share my video and my channel. Without further ado, we're going to go straight into an input and output task. So the way this task is done is through PRIMM. So PRIMM stands for predict, run, investigate, modify, make. So it's a way of teaching programming that involves showing examples of good working code, such as these 4 lines. So the first thing we need to do is predict what this code is going to do. And I predict I'm going to be able to do type in 2 inputs, and the 2 inputs are going to get added together. So let's have a look. 4 plus 6, that's going to be 10. Voila. So I've made a prediction. I ran it to see whether it's true, and it is true in this case. Okay, let's investigate. What happens if we decide to put a multiplication arithmetic rather than addition? So let's take out the addition and let's put in the multiplication. So 4, 6, going to be 24. There we go. So it didn't add. This time it times. Hence why we got a different answer. The inputs are the same, but the answer is different because we times it rather than added. Okay, so what happens if we decide to do another input? Well, let's have a look, shall we? I'm going to do num3 equals int input. Enter a number. Okay, let's say I wanted to do times num3, shall we? I'm going to do 4, 6, 5. Takes us to 120 because we've added in a 5 as well. 4 times 6 is 24. Times that by 5, 120. Nice and simple there. So what we need to do now is modify the program so that we can add the first 2 numbers and then subtract the third. So what we need to do to modify is we need to do num1 plus num2 and then subtract num3. I'm going to run that and I'm going to do 40 plus 80, 10. Take away 10. So that is 110. So that's what we've done there. So we've done the modify stage. So we've gone from predict all the way to modify. Now we need to make a program. So normally I would get students to make a new replit, so they're practicing the process of making a new replit in their replit account. In this case, I'm not going to worry too much about that because I want to make these videos quick as well, so they just want to make them quick. So let's say we want to make a program where the user can use the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division signs after every variable is based on user input. So for here, we could just do something like, so after you've typed in those 3, all I'm going to do is make another start. So we could do val1 equals int input, enter a number. Done. We can copy and paste those in. We could do val2, val3, val4. Because there's 4 different arithmetic operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we could type in answer. That's going to equal val1 plus val2 plus val3, not plus, sorry. We're going to times that by val3, and we're going to divide by val4. So then we need to print out our answer. So the way that we do that, we go out of the quote, in the bracket, comma. Answer. Let's run that. I'm going to do 40 plus 80 times 2, divide by 4. It's taking us to 80. 40 plus 80, 120, times that by 2 is 240. Divided by 4 is 80. So that is our program. Nice and easy there. If you've enjoyed my video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my video. And I look forward to making another one for you soon enough. Goodbye for now.